Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Oakdale, local and long distance movers near me. The long distance shift is never easy if you're doing everything on your own. It requires more planning, more workforce, and certain permits to complete the shift. But if you hire professional movers and packers like 3 Movers, we are already certified and have a good working relationship with the local federal association. So we have the required permits and licenses to complete the shift without any checks. Moreover, our movers are qualified to navigate your shift and shift you within the period easily. When you move to a nearby city or society, our first preference is to take help from a loved one and shift your apartment on your own. Although it's great for family activities, you need to understand the shifting involves delicate, expensive, and heavy weight items, which can be very difficult to handle without any prior experience. So it's better to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers, as we have professional training and expertise in all shifts, and we provide local, long-distance, domestic, commercial, and international shifts at affordable rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oakdale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.